Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of there was an error displaying the search on the application of DuckDuckGo. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this time you will search about DuckDuckGo and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.